Mix Chinese with your entertainment.
So Vince is here and he's gonna share with you his one tip for learning Chinese, learn real Chinese, communicate, have fun.
I like to listen to Chinese music. Some of my social life here in Beijing is seeing Chinese bands.
He works at Career China. For how long?
I've been here about 1 year, which is basically the same kind of music genres I would like back home, but in Chinese.
Chinese bands.
And I recognize words.
How do you learn those words?
From either a teacher or books or whatever I'm learning, but I hear them in the songs and I'm like, oh, I get that lyric.
Where are you getting the lyrics from though?
No, I hear the lyric.
You're that good that you can just hear and understand the word?
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
okay.
I mean, you know, I don't want to brag too much.
1 year and he's listening to music.
You know, words here and there.
QQ Music, have you heard of it?
Yes, I have it.
You have it?
Yes, it's better than Spotify. You get all the music you want in the universe.
This is not an ad for QQ Music, but I like the fact that they put the lyrics on QQ Music. If you need to watch lyrics, apparently you don't. You have it on your phone? Where's your phone?
My phone.
Oh, it's not here.
Okay, so this is my probably favorite Chinese song right now by a singer named
closer to here.
9M88, a Taiwanese jazz pop singer.
Can we see lyrics on there?
I never used the lyrics.
I think you can see. Hold on.
Now we're gonna use editing here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna use it.
A few moments later.
就是左右滑动.
Oh, so swipe left and right and you get the lyrics?
Ah.
Right, okay. You never knew the lyrics were there.
No.
The lyrics are there.
Yeah.
Wow. 非常感谢.
So obviously we know how to make the lyrics come up. You just go here. Voila. Wait. Take two. So I press play of the song and there we go.
We can't even see. Wait, I'm not editing that out.
I'm an editor, so I'm always thinking of this editing a mistake. Okay.
No, I like the mistakes. They need to see the less than perfect one.
Music with your Chinese, also TV. Watch Chinese shows on Netflix. Easy to find, especially if you're using VPN. I don't know. Can we say VPN in the video?
Can we say VPN in the video? Of course, all my recommended VPNs are down in the description.
So we do
Guess
say
what? We
VPNs
do
in
say
the video.
VPNs in the video.
Taiwan Mandarin is a little different, but you'll still pick up words that you're learning.
I thought it was a lot different. You feel like it's okay?
Yes. I know Taiwanese is a different language. Is very different. But
we're in Beijing, by the way.
Yes.
By the way.
Also, have you heard of this TV show on YouTube called Happy Chinese?
No.
Oh, okay.
Happy Chinese.
So do you remember like TGIF growing up?
Yes.
Like Full House and like it's a
Family Matters.
Yeah, like corny 90s sitcoms.
Steve Urkel.
Honey, I'm home! Steve Urkel at your service!
Happy Chinese. It's basically a corny sitcom about an American girl living with a Chinese family, and the whole point of the whole series is to teach you Chinese. So it's just, you know, it's like you're watching Sabrina the Teenage Witch.
Yes!
You know, like something like that.
Does she speak Chinese?
She probably does. She has magic. She has magic.
Tap or click the screen right here because you're gonna see Rachel, who also talked about listening to music in a way to learn Chinese. I'm Kwadwo. This is Vince. Thank you, Vince. Elementary Chinese.
Day up. Good study.
Day up. We're gonna try that again with the editing skill. Good study.
Day up.